Hello everyone, thanks so much for coming by today. Today I wanted to have a bit of a chat with you about the program and how it works. Now there's still a lot of people that are confused about how the program works. They are actually subscribed to the channel, and even people say to me, I've been subscribed for 5 years but I've never started. So what I would encourage you to do is this, number one. Here is a video here. This is Exercise Along With Me Series 1, Level 1. Now that is a video that is in my premium site, and I've put it on the channel so that people know, number one, how to do the exercises, how to put the exercises together, and number two, if they want to try to see if they will stick to the program and to, let's say to the program, that you go ahead and do that exercise set. Okay, so I'll start with number one. So when I do videos, I can only do one video at a time, because if I did all the videos, all the exercise videos together, it ends up to be about 40 minutes. Now I do have a combined video for Exercise Along With Me 1, 2 and 3 with all the exercises, explaining the exercises. Now that video is just an explainer video. A lot of people again come to me from that video and say, I can't do it all together, you're talking too much. You are to learn the exercises and then put them all together from the forehead to the neck and assemble them together, and then start the routine from the head to the neck, right? And this video here shows you how to do that. So if you go to the playlist for Exercise Along With Me Series 1, you will see all the exercises and me teaching you all the exercises. Then if you go to that video, you will see how I've put the exercises together. Okay? This is how it works for every single series in the program. So then if you go to Exercise Along With Me Series 2, you'll find the playlist in the playlist tab. You learn those exercises as I teach you, put them all together, assemble them all together, and then start the exercises from the forehead to the neck. And that's how you do the program. That's how you follow the program. Now the other side of that is that there is a method. So that's the exercise set. Then we've got the method. And the method is 50 repetitions for 2 weeks, 100 repetitions for 2 weeks, 150 repetitions for 2 weeks. Now if you can't get to 150 repetitions, you do 50 repetitions for 3 weeks and 100 repetitions for 3 weeks. And then you move on to the next exercise set. Is that clear? This is how it works on the channel. So then the second part of this exercise routine on the YouTube channel for you is for you to start doing it for 2 weeks and see if you will stick to the program. If you stick to that for 2 weeks, you can do that for 100 repetitions for 2 weeks. And if you can do that 100 repetitions for 2 weeks, you can do 150 repetitions for 2 weeks. Because when you learn how to do the exercises for 2 weeks, you will know exactly how to do those exercises. So you won't need to use the video to do it. All you'll need to do is just add another 50 repetitions to it and start exercising. Okay? So it's really quite simple, but it's just you've got to think about what you're actually doing here. So if you can do 150, get to 150 repetitions, and that's 6 weeks of exercising, then you know you can move to Exercise Along With Me Series 2. So again, it's in the playlist. Go ahead and learn the exercise set, learn it for a week, okay? And then after that week, go ahead and start the new exercise set, and then you can start working through the series, and that's how it works. Now, in the description box below, there is a link on how to start Facerobics. If you go there and click on that link, it's quite a lengthy thing, I mean, for to read on the web. But if you read through it, you will see how to do it, you will see things to do and not to do, and it will give you a chance to give you an understanding of how the program works. So that is in the description box below. Okay? So these are the things that I really want to sort of try to get you to start doing the exercises and then to stick with them. And to stick with them, if you're not used to doing them, it's a habit. And starting a new habit is difficult. So that's why we start with a tiny habit, 50 repetitions a day for 2 weeks. So every day for 5 days, consecutive 5 days, you do 50 repetitions of the exercise set. So that's the forehead, the eyes, the nose, the cheeks, the lower cheeks and the neck, okay? So you do 50 repetitions every day for 5 days. You have 2 days off and then you start again. So generally I start on a Monday, finish on a Friday, so I know exactly where I'm at. If I do it any other time, I'm all over the place. But that's the easiest way to do it. So we start with tiny steps, we make a decision, we think, okay, I've got to do something about the face, make a decision, learn the exercises, and start with tiny steps. And if you just start with tiny steps, then you can move to bigger steps. And tiny steps really are just, all they are is making a decision that you're going to do that exercise every day for 5 days. You get through the week, you get through the 5 days, have a couple of days off. Again, you make a decision. I'm going to start on Monday, I'm going to do it again. Now, it's up to you when you do them. You can do them in the morning, do them evening, do them during the day. But you do them at the same time every day if you can, okay? And you do the exercise set all at once. You don't break it up, okay? So these are the things that will help you get through to start face aerobics. Also, the Facerobics site is going across the video right now. Go ahead and put that into your browser, and that will get you to the Contact Us. It will also give you an idea of what we offer in Face Aerobics in the site, in the premium site. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. You have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.